Box Chevy guys, we got one for y'all. 1985 Chevy Caprice Classic. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is nice and clean. She has a little over 22,000 miles. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. She has minor imperfections and blemishes, but she's in overall good condition. Let's check her out. I'm a G-body guy at heart, but I would buy her in a heartbeat. Unmolested. The only original ones. This is how you should buy your classic. Top in good condition. Not gonna go wrong with this one, guys. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jams on the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. As y'all can see, she's solid as a rock. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good condition. Seats nice and clean. Headliner. Check out that dash. Beautiful. As y'all can see, she reads a little over 22,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat nice and clean also. package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, AC, power steering, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Right up. Y'all make sure y'all go and check out rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. She's running like a sewing machine, guys. You can't ask for too much more. Don't miss out. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.